Hi, Bill Ross here with InvestSteps.com, and today I have for you short sale investor mistake number one. And what exactly is that? Well, it is a lack of proper advertising. Specifically, if you don't advertise, your phone doesn't ring. And if your phone doesn't ring, well, sorry to say, but you are not in business. So the most important, and probably the single most important aspect of your business is advertising, and proper advertising at that. So let's get into what proper advertising is. Basically, nobody cares about what you do, okay? You see signs and letters and advertising all over the place that says, "We buy houses." Well, that's what you do. And people who are facing foreclosure do not really care about what you do. What they care about are what options exist for them in their problems. Okay, so instead of advertising "We buy houses," try something like "Facing foreclosure?" ? "We have options for you." Something along those lines. It will get people's attention because, again, they're looking for their options. The next thing that's important is give them their options. Now, it sounds like I'm being redundant here, but I'm not. When that phone rings, your goal is not immediately to evaluate them for a short sale. Be a good, helpful person to them. Be honest and genuine. If their best option is not a short sale and they have other options available to them, maybe ones that keep them in their home, be a good person and help them. Okay? If you do that, you will get their referrals, you will get their respect, you will do far better in business, and trust me, you will get plenty of phenomenal short sale deals. But do the right thing. Give people their options, help them get what they want, and you will ultimately get what you want. Okay? So, how do you market? Well, that is really the question, isn't it? Okay? Proper advertising. And there's lots of methods, you've probably heard several, but tried and true methods. Bandit signs, those ugly yellow signs you stick in the yard. Well, use the keywords I told you there and that type of advertisement. Put bandit signs out every day. Put them all over the place. You will get phone calls. Pay attention to your local laws. Some cities and so forth don't like them, and you might have to, be smart about how you place those. Postcards, mailing postcards, talking to realtors. Letting realtors know what you do and ask for their referrals. You will get a ton of business doing that. These are just a few things that will help you in your advertising, proper advertising. So that is the short sale investor mistake number one. This will help you avoid it. Again, I am Bill Ross with InvestSteps.com, and I look forward to giving this information to you and much more to come. Take care.